Welcome. If you want to unpair Galaxy Buds from iPhone 12 Pro, at the first you have to go for the settings, then tap on the Bluetooth and open charging case of your Galaxy Buds. Wait until the status change to disconnect. If it is not going to happen automatically, we are going to connect them manually, so just wait. Close, open one more time. Okay, so right now just simply tap on the status. And right now they are connected, so we can enter the information icon and click to forget this device. Click confirm. And as you can see right now they are unpaired. And when we close the charging case and open it one more time, we are able to pair them again when they pops right here. So just wait, and here it is, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!